mommies in the house.
언제부터였을까 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져 Something in my heart 이 맘 전하고 싶어 When you ring my valentine
own thoughts, and sometimes you can also hear your heartbeat. My name is Marese Scades. I'm a freediving athlete, and I hold 2 current national records.
就开始接触专业的训练，就当做是已经是我的生涯了。我是陈明顺，然后我的职业是羽毛球手。打球的时候，我都会专注的投入在赛场。都不会去留意你打了多久，我们唯一会留意的就是说我们的 match 几点开始，你几点要到球场。有些人试过，就是会 miss 掉那个 match。当场就是 disqualified 了。手表对我来说是一个时间观念嘛，就对我来说是一个必需品。
Every second counts. Instinct is at play, but it's not very accurate. So having a watch to know where you are exactly helps a lot. Every movement has to be done at a specific depth. Having a Seiko watch that you can rely on means that you somehow still have control. When you are underwater holding your breath, time seems to slow down, and every millisecond is magnified.
Seiko Prospex 的 Keep Going Forward 就是因为这句话我才坚持到现在。
As an athlete, whatever challenges that we may face, whatever setbacks or failures that we just have to keep on going forward and just face it head on.
Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Prospex. Seiko.
freaking pizza.